Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will be seeing about even long vectors. So this is the last topic of combinational logic basic gates. So as we can see, you are given a 100 bit input vector. So it is the same as the last problem. So out of both, out of any, here we have to use the and operation which is bitwise and, here bitwise or, and here bitwise XOR. So let's say, so this it doesn't, we have to not care about this, we can write any number we can. So let's start with assign out of both equal to in of 98 is to 0 bitwise and with in of 99 is to 1. Okay, let's let's check about the output of both answer. So as you can see, it is matching. So R and reference output is matching and the timing diagram matching. So let's go for the assign of out of any. So here also same, in of 99 is to 1 or operation in of. So what was last time? Output of any, we have to ignore output of any. So 98 is to 0. Let's submit the code. So as you can see, the reference output and our output is matching. So now let's write the last one, assign out of different equal to. So here also the same condition, wrapping around condition, which was solved in the last problem. In of 0 comma in of 99 is to 1. So let's submit the code and check for our answers. So as you can see, compilation process may started. So as you can see, the status is success. I don't know why there is no timing diagram here, but that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll be seeing about mux 221.